Alright, this is
Do
West.
we need to move any of that stuff out of there? Or?
They'll move it.
No, I mean right now, so you can.
Oh, no, you're good.
Okay.
This is Weston Cat's furnace, looking to replace this and add air conditioning. So we've got our gas line coming down with a drip leg. We'll replace the shutoff and the gas flex. Electrical's coming down pretty much alongside of it to a switch on side of the furnace. Here's your fresh air combustion coming down. It is an 80% furnace, so we're going to do a 96 PVC. It does tie into the water heater, so we can go up next to it, keep it simple, go straight up. Return drop, I want to change, get something bigger, and do a filter rack. Get rid of these homemade doors, make it a little easier for them to change filters, and we'll put it up on a base can. Give it more breathing room. As far as condensation, is there a washer, laundry room somewhere around here? Right over there?
Mm-hmm.
So there is a washer room on the other side. We'll try and figure out a way to get condensation into that washer drain, because I don't see a floor drain in this room. As far as line set, we're going to figure out where we want to put the air conditioner, but looks like it's pretty open. Floor joists are running the right way, so we should be okay.